Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Leaning. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Thanks for joining us today, friends. We're really happy you're here.
In today's lesson, we're going to talk about the future tense, how to talk about things that haven't happened yet.
That's right. We'll learn how to say what we're going to do, what we will do, and even how to talk about plans and predictions in simple, natural English.
The future tense is super important because we use it every day. We all talk about what we'll do tomorrow, next week, or in the future.
So stay with us. We'll have easy conversations, fun examples, mini role plays, and even practice questions for you.
Let's get started talking about plans. Paul, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my parents. We haven't seen each other in a while.
That sounds nice. I'm going to go hiking with my friends.
Oh, cool. So both of us are using the phrase going to. That's one way to talk about the future.
Exactly. We use going to when we already have a plan or decision before we speak.
For example, I'm going to visit my parents. She's going to study English tonight. We're going to watch a movie.
Easy, right?
Super easy. Talking about predictions. Now, Emily, what do you think the weather will be like tomorrow?
I think it will rain. The sky looks cloudy.
Oh no, I hope it doesn't.
So here we used will, another way to talk about the future.
Right? We use will when we're predicting or deciding at the moment.
Let's see more examples. I think it will be sunny tomorrow. He will probably come to the party. Don't worry, you will do great on your test.
Nice. Will is simple. Just use will plus base verb.
Yes, and remember, we can also say won't for negative. I won't forget your birthday. They won't go out if it rains.
Okay. Let's learn some useful vocabulary and phrases for talking about the future.
Here are 15 useful words and phrases with examples. 1. Plan. Something you decide to do. I have a plan to study English every day. What's your plan for the weekend? 2. Decide. To choose what you want to do. I decided to start a new job next month. She decided to learn Spanish. 3. Schedule. A list of planned times or activities. My schedule is busy next week. Let's check our schedule before we go. 4. Probably. More likely to happen. I'll probably watch a movie tonight. He will probably arrive late. 5. Definitely, 100% sure. I'll definitely call you tomorrow. We're definitely going to visit London. 6. Promise. To say you'll do something. I promise I'll help you. She promised to study harder. 7. Hope. To wish for something good. I hope you'll enjoy the movie. We hope it won't rain tomorrow. 8. Plan to. A more formal version of going to. I plan to start a business. We plan to travel next summer. 9. Expect. To think something will happen. I expect it will take 2 hours. We expect more students next week. 10. Later, after some time. I'll call you later. Let's talk later about our trip. 11. Soon. In a short time. She will come home soon. We're going to eat dinner soon. 12. Next, week/month/year shows time in the future. I'm going to start a new class next week. Next month, we'll travel to Japan. At 13, someday at an unknown time in the future, someday I'll visit Paris. He'll become a teacher someday. 14, in the future, later in life. In the future, cars will fly. I hope to buy a house in the future. 15, goal, something you want to achieve. My goal is to speak English fluently. What's your goal for this year? Making plans. Let's do a short role play.
Okay, we'll plan a Saturday together.
Great.
So, Emily, what are you going to do on Saturday morning?
I'm going to clean my room and have breakfast.
Nice. I'll go jogging in the park.
What about the afternoon?
I'm going to meet my cousin.
Cool. I think I'll go shopping.
And in the evening,
Maybe I'll watch a movie.
perfect. So we used both going to for plans and will for decisions made now. Let's imagine the future, 2050.
Ooh, the year 2050. What do you think the world will be like?
I think people will travel to space easily.
Wow! I think students won't need paper books anymore. Everything will be digital.
Yeah, and maybe robots will help in every home.
So we use will to make predictions about the future. Let's practice with promises.
Okay? I promise I'll help you with your homework.
Thank you, Paul. I promise I'll bring snacks next time.
And I hope our viewers will keep practicing English every day.
Yes, if you study a little every day, your English will improve quickly.
Extra practice. Now it's your turn, friends. Let's practice together. Repeat after us.
I'm going to study English tomorrow.
I will call my friend later.
I think it will rain next week.
Someday, I'll visit another country.
Great job. Now let's do a quick quiz. Think and answer aloud.
1. What's something you are going to do this weekend?
2. What do you think will happen next year?
3. What's something you promised to do this month?
4. What are your goals for the future?
Say your answers out loud. Practice helps you remember.
Okay, let's review what we learned today.
We learned 3 main ways to talk about the future. 1. Going to, for plans or decisions made before speaking. 2. Will, for predictions or decisions made now. 3. Present continuous, for fixed future arrangements, like I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
We also learned 15 useful words like plan, hope, promise, goal, and soon.
And we practiced with role plays about making plans, predictions, and promises.
Awesome work, everyone!
You did great today. Remember, learning the future tense helps you talk about your dreams, goals, and plans.
Yes! Keep practicing every day. Say your plans out loud in English.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And tell us in the comments, what will you do tomorrow? We'd love to read your answers.
See you next time on Mr. English Learning.